everyone, how's everyone doing now? These are my two beautiful new launches, the Cauldron candles, but both the candles are for two different purposes and two different things. So let's just take you through these candles. Now the first one which I'm going to take you through is my Hecate candle. I love using my Hecate candle. So this comes with the pentacle shape, and who can burn this? You have a connect with mahakali, you can burn. You're a Wiccan, you can burn. You want your wishes to get manifested, you can burn. You want to work on particular wish every day, general wish, and you want to work towards manifesting that, you can burn. You want to become a powerful lady from inside, a powerful person from inside who can handle issues, who can come out of whatever it is that it is troubling them. Then for that also you can burn this candle. And if you're a Wiccan, and if you're a Wiccan under me, and if I usually energize this and give them in their magical names, and then I give it to them. Now if you're not a Wiccan and you want a mahakali connect, then I will take some details from you, and then I will energize this candle, and then I will send it to you. You will have to burn this candle every day for 15 minutes. Now there are 2 wicks here. Basically, what is the concept behind me bringing 2 wicks is, one wick will work on removing the issues which is troubling you, and one wick will work on bringing in the opportunities or the ways of in which way you can get what you want, and more like things in a way that you're able to find ways, or you will get ideas as how you can fulfill this wish of yours. So that's the reason behind me bringing in this Cauldron candle, the Hecate candle. The next candle is something which I think most of you are looking forward to. This is with another different symbol, but this is for anything related to career. Now when I say career, if the appraisal is coming up and you don't know how to you want the appraisal to come in your favor, if there is a job promotion in line and you want the job promotion to come in your favor, if there is a say you're going for a job interview and you want to get a job of your liking, if there's an existing job and there's a recession period going on, and you feel that you need to stick on to the company and the company should not throw you out of the thing, then this is the candle for you. What do I do with this candle? Again, there are 2 wicks and there are certain crystals, and these are energized. When I send it to you, I will be sending you a very personalized sigil. Now when I send you a personalized sigil, what will I do with that personalized sigil is, I will take some details from you, because every sigil will be different. For a new job it will be different, for appraisal it's different, for the what do we say, for promotion is different, from recession not to happen and you need to stick on to that company is different. If you feel teamwork is not happening, then for the teamwork to be in your benefit, even for that it's a different type of a sigil. So I'll be sending you that one sigil, and you will be making the same sigil in parchment paper. I will be sending you the parchment paper also with this candle. You will be drawing that sigil in that parchment paper, and you will be burning it on top of this, and you will discard the ashes in the air. This is what you will have to do on an everyday basis. At least 21 days is what I suggest, and every day you burn this for 10 to 15 minutes. It's a very powerful candle which will help you in anything at all related to your job. Yes, you might think that you have already been burning the St. Joseph candle, you have been burning some other job related candle. So this candle, should I burn with it? The more you add on energies, the more things work in your favor. This is something which I always say in all my sessions. So go with that. Don't stick on to just one thing. Do multiple things. Work on in such a way that the divine has to give you whatever you want the divine to give, and things will fall in place. So try your candles when it comes to job. Try this, and when it comes to general wishes, when it comes to wish fulfilling, when it comes to say making yourself a powerful Wiccan. As I said, if you're a Wiccan and if I know your magical name, I energize it that way, or else I energize in your name and I send. But this specifically orange one will come with a sigil, a personalized sigil for personalized issues, which you will have to draw the same way 21 times for 21 days. And every day when you're burning this candle for 15 minutes, you show the paper on top of it, and then you throw the ashes in the air. So I hope you all like this video. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and also if you can forward it to your friends and family who are looking for jobs, who are looking for becoming powerful in their lives, it will benefit them, and the blessings will come back to you multiple times. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.